What's up, guys? Again, I want to talk about change orders, scope of work, the estimates you get. You really need to learn, or you should know how to read the scope of work. I know a lot of homeowners, man. Like unless you're a tradesman or you had some kind of experience in the industry, like you're not gonna know. And it sucks because a lot of contractors or handymen out there, um, you know, might take advantage of that fact. And listen, I'm not talking bad about anybody. Like, I'm not here to say, like, hey, I'm better than everybody out there. Like, that's not the case. I still learn new things every single day. Even 4 years in business, every day is a new learning lesson for me, right? But I'd like to share with you guys, these learning lessons that probably cost me some money or time, or both. So that hopefully you guys don't go through the same mistakes, or maybe the homeowner can pick something up from these videos and know what to look for. So when it comes to estimates, if somebody gives you an estimate, like for example, you're getting a bathroom remodel, right? You're getting a whole new shower, new toilet, new vanity, new tile on the floor, and you want the bathroom painted, right? That's a full bathroom remodel. If the estimate that you get just says remodel bathroom and a price, that's absolutely unacceptable. Just throw that thing away. Don't ever talk to that person ever again. That's insane. All right. Even if it says like, hey, bathroom remodel, new shower, new toilet, new vanity, new flooring. That's better, but still, like, what does new shower mean? Are they just gonna chip up the tile and then slap new tile on? Or are they gonna do it the right way and just demo the whole shower walls? Inspect the plumbing, inspect the wall cavities, install new Durarock or Hardy board, or are they gonna apply Red Guard waterproofing, which they should. It should be all itemized, explaining exactly what they're gonna do, what kind of tile, what's the size of the tile? Is there going to be a shower niche somewhere? Is there going to be a bench? Is there going to be floating shelves? You know what I'm saying? Are they replacing the shower fixtures? Are they installing the same shower fixtures? You know what I'm saying? Like, all that matters, because you can get an estimate that just says redo shower, and they're just planning on going there and chipping up tile and just slapping new stuff up there, which is going to look crazy. I don't think anybody would ever do that. It's just always easier to demo the whole wall. But like, what kind of wall are they putting up? Are they going to use Durarock? Are they going to use the Hardy board stuff? And like, what is the material that's going up there? How many square feet are we covering? You know what I'm saying? The shower pan, are they just going to chip up the tile and install new tile, which is totally unacceptable? I doubt anybody's out there doing that. Or are they going to do the right thing and chip up the whole pan and apply new waterproofing liner and then a new mortar? You know what I'm saying? Like, all these details matter. Because like, they could go in there and do the shower remodel, and you're like, oh, why are you not chipping up the pan? And they're like, oh, well, it doesn't say that on the estimate. And now you have a problem. you know now now they have an opportunity to submit a change order, and charge you more money. That's why it's so easy for contractors to just throw a cheap price in there and then throughout the job be like, oh, well, we just realized you need a whole new pan, so now we're going to charge another $1,000. You know what I'm saying? So it's important, guys. Please, please, please do yourself a favor. Never go with the cheapest price. Or if you do, ask, why is this so much cheaper than the other bids? Read the scope of work. Everything should be in detail, explained step by step what they're doing. So I just want to give everybody a reminder, man. Don't hire the cheapest contractor. You're paying for quality, so you should get quality. Think about it like that. You always get what you pay for. Um, And if you guys ever get an estimate that you don't like and you have some concerns, hey man, reach out to me. Send me your estimate. Let me look it over and let me tell you what's missing and what should be on there. Okay, it will be my pleasure. Again, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Have a great day.